हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स लर्न बैंकिंग प्लेटफॉर्म में आपका स्वागत है। इस सेशन में हम बैंक गारंटीज को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। फ्रेंड, बैंक गारंटी इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए प्रॉमिस बाय बैंक ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द बायर एंड in favor of the seller. This seller provides services or goods on credit to this buyer. बैंक गारंटी किस लिए दिया जाता है और बैंक गारंटी क्या होता है? बैंक गारंटी एक प्रॉमिस है। यह प्रॉमिस बैंक के द्वारा सेलर को दिया जाता है और यह प्रॉमिस बायर के बिहाफ पर दिया जाता है। इस अरेंजमेंट में सेलर बायर को गुड्स या सर्विसेज ऑन क्रेडिट प्रोवाइड करता है। बैंक गारंटी में बैंक को श्योरिटी या गारंटर कहा जाता है। बायर ऑफ गुड्स को एप्लीकेंट कहा जाता है और सेलर ऑफ गुड्स को बेनिफिशियरी कहा जाता है। सो बैंक इज नोन एज श्योरिटी और गारंटर, बायर इज नोन एज एप्लीकेंट एंड seller is known as beneficiary. So this is the mechanism of bank guarantee. Here we have the buyer, here we have the seller, here we have the bank. Buyer is customer of this bank. Seller provides services or goods to this customer of the bank but on credit, and bank gives assurance to the seller that in case the payment is not made by the buyer, then bank shall make the payment to seller. So bank guarantee is in the form of a promise which is made by the bank to the seller on behalf of the buyer. In the bank guarantee, the bank assures the beneficiary, means the seller, that bank shall pay the due amount if applicant fails to make payment or perform his obligation. So बैंक गारंटी में बैंक अश्योरेंस देता है बेनिफिशियरी को that in case the applicant fails to make the payment or perform his obligation, then bank will compensate the seller or beneficiary. Friends, if payment is made by applicant to the seller, then bank need not pay. Bank will be required to pay only when applicant does not make payment when payment is due. Guarantee is issued for a definite period. Whenever guarantees are issued by banks, so these guarantees are issued for a fixed period, for a definite period. What is the benefit to the bank for issuing guarantee? Friends, banks are able to earn commission by issuing bank guarantee. So banks recover commission from applicant in lieu of giving assurance to the seller that banks shall make the payment. Friends, a bank guarantee is a contingent liability for the bank. Contingent liabilities are those transactions which may become a liability or may not become a liability. Under a bank guarantee, if applicant makes payment to the seller or performs his obligation towards the seller, then bank will not be required to make any payment. But if applicant fails to make the payment or perform his obligation, then bank will be required to make the payment. Hence, the bank guarantee is in the form of a contingent liability for the bank. Friends, there is another non-fund based loan which is called letter of credit, that we shall continue in the next session. Thank you.